Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to knit this beautiful and very amazing, very interesting and very wonderful knitting stitch pattern. This pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby sweater, and you can use this pattern for jumper, for vest, for shawl, for hats, for tunic. You can use all kinds of knitting products. This is very easy pattern. This is very embossed pattern, and this is only one sided pattern. So see how beautiful looks of this pattern. This is front side view of the pattern, and this is back side view of the pattern. So this is very elegant pattern, very charming pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. So in order to make this pattern, you can cast on multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. And this is only 4 rows repeat pattern. So let's knit together. So this is row 1 right side, and I am going to knit row 1. So row 1 slip edge stitch and purl 2, purl 2, and for this stitch we knit 1 and we make yarn over and we knit again same and for 1. That's the repeat. Slip 1, purl 2 and make 3 in 1 stitch and purl 1. Now again purl 2 and we make 3 stitch in the 1 stitch. Yarn over and knit 1 and purl 1. So this is our second repeat. Now we repeat it again, purl 2 and knit, yarn over and knit 1 and purl 1. So we repeat it the entire pattern. So So friends, row 1 is complete. Now I am going to knit row 2 on the wrong side and wrong side. We slip edge stitch, knit 1, 2 and purl 3. Wrong side we knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. We knit 2, 1, 2, 3, we knit 3 and we knit this increased stitch. We have increased this stitch. We purl 3. Now again knit 3 and we purl 3. Again knit 3 and purl 3. Now we repeat it to the end of the row. So friends, row 2 is complete. Now we knit row 3 and row 3 we slip edge stitch. We slip edge stitch and purl 1 and knit 2 together. Again knit 1 and we make SSK. We slip this stitch and this purl stitch and we knit 2 together through back loop. This is called SSK. So that's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Purl 1 and knit 2 together. This purl stitch and this knit stitch we knit 2 together. Knit 1 and SSK. Again purl 1 knit 2 together, knit 1 and SSK. Now we will knit to the entire pattern. Knit 2 together, knit 1, SSK and purl 1 and knit 1. So friends, row 3 is complete. Now we knit row 4 on the back side. So row 4 we knit knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So row 4 we knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So we slip edge stitch, knit 1, purl 3, and knit 1, purl 3, for knit 1 and purl 3, so we will knit it to the end of the row. So friends, this way I complete row 1 to row 4, and here it is our entire pattern. So if you like, you repeat row 1 to row 4 over and over again according to your desired length, and after some repeats it turned out to be a simple and nice pattern. And if you like the pattern, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.